I don't know why I'm touching that. Hi guys, and welcome to our channel. We are the Just Gotta Knows. I'm Stephanie. If you are new here, thanks for stopping by. And if you are not new here, thanks for stopping by. You guys are so awesome. So today's video is going to be a Thredup unboxing. I have been sourcing online for my Poshmark closet. In my closet, for most people, it's been kind of slow, but for me, since I just started, I'm actually getting a lot more sales now than when I first started. But I guess when you first start, it's slower. But I'm not complaining. It's been my Poshmark closet's been keeping me busy during this quarantine time. So I've ordered a total of 4 Thredup boxes and I've received 3. So my one of my boxes that I ordered at the beginning still has not even shipped. It was a $60 mixed box. So I've gotten 2 denim boxes. One was from Arizona, the first one was from Pennsylvania. So you can go and see those. I have 2 different opinions on those boxes. So I may get a 3rd box just to kind of, weigh my decision. But for now, we are doing my Thredup unboxing of this. So what's in here is supposedly it is 5 items of name brand handbags. So in the description it said that you would get 4 handbags and 1 accessory. I was watching some other videos after I ordered. I don't know why I don't watch these videos before I order, but they were getting 3 handbags and 2 accessories, and some were getting like belts, some were getting scarves. I mean, it was kind of all over the place. But in the description it does say you will get 1 bag that's like Michael Kors, Kate Spade, Coach, that type of brand. So let's look. I haven't opened, I've opened it, but I haven't seen what's inside because this I don't need to wash. But you see that my paper is in here, my receipt, and then it comes nicely packed. So my receipt just lets you know what it is that you purchased. I did spend $90 on this box, so I hope that it was worth it. I did not have to pay for shipping. They gave it for free. However, there's 5 items, so I for sure need to sell each item for a minimum of $18 to get my money back. Okay, so the first thing, my little table's too low, you can't see, but you can see that all my items are packed in here. So the first item that I'm going to pull out is a Coach bag. You can like wear, I guess, like this. Dude, I used to rock these like this. But it does have like the handle for the crossbody. This is kind of cute. It doesn't look like, I wanted to say crap. Like it doesn't look super used. I mean, there's like some like speckles, like dirty speckles. Like, can you see here? Would somebody buy this for more than $18? Dude, the inside looks like legit new. But like, that looks really good. Like, there is no wear. Huh. I need to look and research how much Coach bags are selling used. I haven't had a Coach bag in a while. Do you guys know if I should just leave it or can you clean it? Like, how do you clean like little spots? Like, I would be scared that I would just smear it and make it a bigger mess. So if you guys have like tips, I guess I could YouTube it, right, to see. Maybe I'll just leave it alone. Okay, so the next thing in my box is this Tory Burch, I'm assuming, a bag. It looks very vintage-ish. Like, this is like a suede material. It looks more worn than the last bag. It just has These handles, what is this style even called? Like a hobo bag? No, I don't know. Anyways, this has the logos and it's magnetic, so you just slide the handle and you can look on the inside and there's some gross gunk. Like, what the hell? First thing that came to mind is very inappropriate. It's like gross. I don't know why I'm touching that. The logo is there. I mean, this I would have to clean. Like, what the hell? I can't sell this. So if you guys know how to clean the inside of a purse, you'll let me know, please. Other Poshmark sellers, I need help. And then there's this. Hold on, I'm gonna have to get some hand sanitizer after that. Okay, that was, I don't know what I was touching there. Okay, next thing, the accessory. We got, yay, Coach glasses. The case looks okay. So it comes with a little cleaning cloth, and then it comes with these glasses. It says Coach. It has the Coach emblems on the inside. This side looks a little bit like worn. This side looks better. I mean, maybe I'll keep these for myself. So these, I kind of like them. Anyways, next we have this nice bag. Ooh, look at this strap though. Ooh, this is Michael Kors because it tells you on the handle. And it comes with these cool like zipper. Look at, dude, this thing could knock somebody out. Do you hear that? This is like hardcore. Anyways, it comes with, ooh, that looks kind of like it wants to feel like hard plastic. I don't know, but that looks new, right? So you got some really cool pockets and they don't connect. So they're like legit two pockets. You can't like open this one. They don't like go into each other. Dude, I really like this bag for me. Cause it's so cute. I like the handle and everything. Like, let's go. And I love this color. Man, maybe I shouldn't buy crap because I just want it for me. Okay, so the inside, this shit is heavy. Sorry, I said a bad word. That I can't like show y'all. I wish you guys could feel this because I would love for somebody to tell me what material it is. But like, it like has no stains. It has like a zipper pocket. Anyways, I'm getting tired just holding it. It's heavy. And it has two little pockets, but like legit, the inside is in good condition. It would be so cool if somebody left money in here for me. This is really cute. And it's like a magnetic clicker. I like this. Dude, if this box comes again, I may get it. So far I like 3 out of the 4. Okay, last thing is this big, I don't even know what kind of bags these are called, but this is a Dooney & Burke. Like, I don't know what style this is. A big bag. It has all the emblems, the DB. It is a little dirty. So I don't know if I would just disclose that in the listing or try to learn to clean it. Let's check out the inside. So the inside doesn't look that bad. I mean, it's dirty and it has like hair. Somebody left me a note. I thought it was money, but it's not. This is a receipt. So this purse came from Washington. And this person bought something from a thrift shop. I hope she didn't need this receipt because it came to Texas. Okay. Oh, I found another surprise. What the? I found some Tums. Tums to Tums, Tums. And it like legit looks unused. However, I don't need Tums. Okay, what else am I gonna find in the Barney bag? Oh, trash. I was asking for money. Look at this person didn't clean out their whatever. But this is the Queen of England. This is Elizabeth. And this is 10 cents. Maybe this person, oh, and I got a bobby pin. I don't know why the hell I'm touching this crap. There are some headphone things. Gross. I hope that was not in anybody's ear. And then that's it. She should have left me American money for the most part. This isn't in bad shape. Like the inside does look really good. So it's just a little dirty on the outside. Like right here you can see this. There's like stains and it's a little dirty around the edge. I have no idea how I would clean this, but you can see where it's dirty down here. But I'm hoping that I can get more than $18 for that. Thanks for watching my Thredup unboxing. I will maybe have another Thredup if that box ever comes in. I hope you guys had fun, and in case you were thinking about getting the designer box before you spend $90, mine can kind of give you a good picture as to maybe what you would get. So I would consider buying this again, actually. I don't know, $90. I gotta make sure that I get my money back before I make another big purchase. But thanks for hanging out. Appreciate y'all. I'm wearing some of these glasses unless I keep these. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you guys are staying safe and staying happy and healthy. See y'all later. Bye.